Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. My name is Shamari Clark. True. You don't want to see cigarettes, smoking, any alcohol, tobacco, drinking, or any swearing, man. Just leave now, all right? Here we go. Bang! Here I come. Bang! Here I am. All right, guys, my head's still a little messed up. You can see I'm in my pajamas. This is what I actually sleep in. Oh my gosh, I am still tore up from last week's blood, what is it called? Food poisoning. Finally got some food in me today. And I want to say, first of all, thank you for all the love, brothers. Thank you for the love on Saturday. And bang, 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 that helped me heal up. And I'm feeling nice. I love you all, brothers. Bang. Now, we're having a good day today, aren't we? Wow, shit is on sale. But for the new guys, so brothers, you guys, the brothers, you know, bang, bang, bang. Ronkiz was laughing his ass off this weekend. Oh my gosh, on Twitter. He was like, we're going to make so much money. I know. But look, guys, though, there are also some new brothers here. They don't understand what we know, right? They probably weren't here for all the custody and all this other talk. So we're going to talk to those boys tonight. So tonight is about money. Bang. We're not going to talk any crypto talk. No Tron, no Ripple, no Stellar, no VeChain, no IOTA. Look, brothers, I know you're out there. Man, your hard-earned money, and you're just seeing this market tank. You're seeing it tank. Actually, let's take a look at it. I know you're seeing this thing tank, and you're just like, your confidence is being destroyed. You're like, what the hell? Right? You're losing money. Look, guys. That's why I have these stories for you tonight. To remind you. Tonight is a reminder of what's happening. In case you forgot. Well, I'm going to stuff it down your throat once again. We have institutional investors on the way. Bang. Oh, and you think they're just from America? No. I dug deep in the well today. I dug deep. I'm bringing you some Israeli. Bang. And those Europeans, I'm bringing you the Swiss. And then I'm going to show you how these regulations are going to make you money next year, okay? I know it's rough. You're like, Shamari, man, fuck, you keep saying this, man. Yeah, well, that's how it is. Look. You're here, okay? There's a tsunami that's coming. That's here. Let me move. Hold on. Let me position this. That's here, right? Well, between here and here, what the price does all in the middle there, don't care about that. Like, who gives a shit? As long as you are in good product, when those institutional investors arrive, bang, when this point arrives, your stuff is going to fly, right? Right now, we're in the middle of, it's just you can call it bull bear market. It's just an amateur market. You have to understand that. These aren't professionals trading. I mean, look like most of you guys, right? You're probably 9-to-5 worker guys. Yeah. Who do you think's trading all this market? 9-to-5 worker guys. So that's why the market is all messed up and going down. Really? Tron went down this week, even though they just announced, wait, was it Tron? Oh, VeChain went down this week, even though anyways, I can't see my brain, guys, man. I've only had 8 hours sleep since last Thursday. I know, man. But you're telling me they're supposed to be down today? Of course not. It's because these are amateur markets. So don't be shaken out by the amateurs. No weekends here, boys. No weekends. These are amateurs that we're in the market with right now, and they don't know what they're doing. And don't let their sort of misbehavior get you down. Okay, so let's just start as we usually do. Bang, and we'll take it from there in a nice orderly fashion. So today, brothers, bang, I got 3 stories for you. Israeli institutional clients are coming. Bang, regulatory arbitrage. If you're not going to give me the ETF I want, well, someone else will. Bang, 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 a nice, safe, and secure one. Swiss Stock Exchange Crypto ETF. Again, regulatory arbitrage. If the SEC is going to fuck around and not give us these ETFs, well, fuck them. Bang! Fuck them. We will go over where we can get them, and we'll invest from there. Now, Third story, 2018 regulations. Will it cause a 2019 surge? You damn right it will. You damn right it will. People don't build custody services and trading desks. and what have we read? What have we read? Coinbase has custody. Bakkt has custody. Bank of America. So we're just going to go from thing to thing right now. So custody, Bank of America just patented their custody thing. Solution. Fine. What else we got? ETFs. We got 9 ETFs on the line waiting to get approved. We got the VanEck stuff. We got Bakkt coming out with their thing upon approval, though, December 12th. In just a little bit. In just, what is that? About what we got here? What was that? Shit. Come on, do the math. Oh, guys, my brain, man. It's so bad. 23 days. About 23 days till Bakkt comes online with their institutional investor stuff. The money's on the way. The money's on the way. This is the last push. And I know I hear you guys saying, some of you guys were like, oh, Shamori, man, the OTC guys are fucking around. No, the OTC guys aren't fucking around. When you buy over the counter, you're buying to go long. OTC guys are getting murdered right now. They're getting slaughtered. They don't care. Why? Because they know what's about to occur. All right, brothers. So let's get into the news. How we normally do. Bang. And let us do our usual refresh to get the freshest numbers. Bang. Woo, Bitcoin down to 46. Bang, bang, bang. All right, so let's do our top 10 of the day. Bitcoin, XRP. Oh, Ripple. So Ripple took over the number 2 from Ethereum. But bang, bang, bang. Look at that number 4. Stellar took it over from Bitcoin Cash. All right. Anyways, top 10 of the day. The usual stock specs, brothers. Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Stellar, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Litecoin, Tether, Cardano, Monero. Bang. All right, let's look at we got to do the whole overview. Oh, my. Bitcoin Cash is getting fucked. Do you see that? Where is it? Fuck. 43% down. I'm getting mangled. All right. So what we got? Well, it's low double digits down. I can pretty much safely say that. And man, this is the time, boys. Everything is on sale. Holy. And you know what pisses me off? I just bought some shit last night, and then I woke up to this. I was like, son of a bitch. I have more money coming on my Coinbase. It should be there by Thursday. I hope this is still going on. All right. So low double digits down. Everything is on sale, brothers. This is the time to fill your warehouse. Oh, my gosh. Fill that thing to the brim. What do we got? Oh, let's look at who's really on sale today, though. Who? Metaverse, CTP, Bitcoin Cash, Decentraland, Nexo, Bitcoin Diamond, Elf, Tezos, Eternity, Steam, and Crypto.com. I don't want to buy any of that shit. All right, let's look who. Actually, did anyone make any money today? Let's look. USD coin. All right, and then the least losers, XRP, TrueUSD, Paxos Standard, QAsh, Tether, Dai, Insight Chain, Revain, and Monocoin. Now, this is going to be interesting. Let's look at, well, the market cap's way down, I can tell you that. Bang, 152. That's pathetic. 152 billion. Oh, but look at the volume. Massive. $22 billion volume. Remember last week at Wednesday, it was the $24 billion. So see, something's happening because for a lot of volume to be seen in a market that's tanking, usually is a sign of a short seller attack. But I mean, this is the crypto world, so it's not the same as in the real world. But all right, brothers, bang. Now, Israel Crypto Investment House launches 2 new funds for what? Institutional clients. Remember, regulatory arbitrage. If you're an institution, you don't have to be, you can be anywhere in the world and invest your money. So, Israel's first dedicated crypto investment firm for institutional investors, Silver Castle Limited, has launched 2 new crypto funds this month. Bloomberg reported November 18th. The firm, anyway, whatever. As Bloomberg notes, global competition is fierce for crypto investment funds today, with over 370 crypto-focused funds with as much as $10 billion in assets under management collectively, citing data from Autonomous Research. Silvercastle CEO said that the fund has been focused on building very, very high security infrastructure. That's what these guys want. That's what the institutions want. High security infrastructure to provide institutions with exposure to the crypto market. Speaking of the investment group's establishment, why isn't this highlighted, man? Establishment, he underscored the importance of the country's dynamic blockchain ecosystem. Israel has seen over 200% increase in the number of local blockchain companies since 2015, according to Startup Nation Central. Globally, and this is the point, globally, Mizrock pointed to U.S. investment giant Fidelity's recently launched digital assets business as a watershed for international grade investment. International, remember, crypto is an international market, so you can invest in this anywhere. I mean, I've told you about regulatory arbitrage. If you don't know what regulatory arbitrage is, regulatory arbitrage means is if you don't allow me to do what I want to do here, where I am, I'll just go somewhere else that lets me do it. So if I'm a scientist, I know this sounds cruel and I always use this example, but it's perfect. If I'm a scientist and I want to do experiments on cute little puppies, in America, you're not allowed to do that, like chemical experiments on them, inject them with stuff and cut off this arm and that arm and reattach and that. You're not allowed to do that crap here. Yeah, but maybe in Kazakhstan, they're like, yeah, we don't care. Do whatever you want to those dogs, right? So if I'm a scientist, well, I bring me and my team and we head over to Kazakhstan and we do our research there, right? That's called a regulatory arbitrage. I go to where the regulations are permissible. That's not the word. Beneficial to me. Allow me to do what I want to do. You know what I mean? So, and that's what they're talking about here. Blah, blah, blah. Algorithm reason. Despite the year's protracted crypto bear market, Mizrock told Bloomberg that in-house use of the fund achieved high double digits. The second fund is fully invested and automated and is based on an algorithmically weighted. All right, whatever. Anyways, what I'm bringing this up is just to show you, guys, the big money's coming. The big money's coming. Do not be afraid of this blood red. Brothers, I know. I don't have to talk to you tonight, but tonight I'm talking to them because, I don't know, just there was some major FUD going on today. So I want to unFUD everybody, get you back on track, back the fuck the way you're supposed to be, remembering what's occurring. Stop looking at your Blockfolio portfolio. Don't look at that. You're here. The tsunami is here. Whatever happens between here and here, who cares? Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it. I mean, unless Bitcoin goes to like $1, well, even then, wow, look. Just don't think about it right yet. Once they start piling in, then things will go back, okay? All right, now, here's some good news. Swiss Stock Exchange lists world's first multi-crypto-based ETF. And this is what's interesting, is that I know a lot of people are like, yeah, man, my coin's going to go up, my coin's going to go up. All these ETFs and futures and stuff, those are Bitcoin ETFs. Those are Bitcoin ETFs and futures. Those are Ethereum. Well, Ethereum has one futures contract out there, but they're mainly Ethereum stuff. But this company is going to make it a crypto ETF. So they're going to be adding more. And I'll tell you, maybe going to have to go get some Ripple soon. Yes, brothers, I might have to admit it. The Ripples might have to be coming soon. I've done some research this weekend. These sons of bitches are overing the counter Ripples like a motherfucker. Oh, they're over there gobbling it up behind the scenes, brothers. And with this shit here and a few other things I've read, I mean, I'm going to still give it time. I'm not jumping in back yet. I don't like how they lied to me about their X-Rapid, but look. I'm here for the money, so if that's where the money is going to be made, I'll go for it. I'll bite my tongue and do for it. But here we go, brothers and Ripple lovers. Bang. Well, not just Ripple lovers, all crypto lovers. Check this shit out. Swiss Stock Exchange 6, the fourth largest stock exchange in Europe with a market capitalization of what? 1.6, how many? That's a T. Bang! Trillion. Has followed up on its commitment made back in June. Oh no, did I do something wrong? Yes, I fucked up. Shit. All right, hold on, guys. Let me get back to the story. Damn it, I had it all highlighted at the good parts. All right. Crypto-friendly. Has taken another step towards announcing that it will open its doors to digital assets, according to Financial Times. The new platform, which is built by Six, will offer integrated post-transaction services such as deal settlement and asset custody through Is this the same? Okay, I guess it is. Six is, for us, it is abundantly, so this is what the CEO says. The CEO of the stock exchange in Switzerland. For us, it is abundantly clear that much of what is going on in the digital space is here to stay and will define the future of our industry. The financial industry now needs to bridge the gap between traditional finance services and digital communities. The move will not be surprising to crypto watchers in the country, given Switzerland's stance on cryptocurrencies. This year, the Swiss government said that it was considering the establishment of a national digital currency called the e-franc, an idea which is still under consideration. Banks, however, have been less open to digital currencies. All right, we'll skip on. And we'll skip on a little more. As institutional investors, bang, take more of an interest in the digital currency market. Bang, that's what we need. All this movement of prices now, this is all retail investor shit. Weak hands and idiots. Not idiots, I gotta stop saying that. Weak hands and just, non-market people, just normal folk. And, some of them bail out, some of them can't hang, and, prices are moving funny. Don't worry about, right now we're in, what do you call this, retail time. See how my brain's not even working, guys? Soon, we're going to be in institutional investor time. And that's when your money's really going to roll in, okay? More exchanges are beginning to bring in tighter controls and safeguards, not just in Switzerland, but globally. The rise of the new wave. And that's why I want you to understand. And for all of you out there, buy your goods. Buy your goods now has encouraged cryptocurrency exchanges such as Coinbase and Huobi to integrate such features as custodial services and default funds into their business to offer users increased protection. Companies don't build those kind of services unless they know there's a need, a demand, right? Have you ever opened a business? I opened a business once, right? It was selling wheatgrass when I was in college. And so I looked at the market. The market in Toronto was blah, 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 blah. How much do I think I could get? And that's the same these guys do. They go, okay, the market for this will be estimated this and this. How much do I think I can capture? Is it worth me investing in to capture that chunk of the market? And the fact that Coinbase and Huobi and all these guys are starting ETFs and Charles Schwab starting trading desks and JP Morgan poaching people or I don't remember, I think it was Charles Schwab that poached them, but JP Morgan doing stuff, that shows you they know that there's money here in it and that they want to be exposed to it. So do not be afraid of today's red market. Today's red market means stuff is on sale. Stuff is on sale. And I'm going to talk to you about this red market. Let me say that. I'm going to give you I don't know. I'm just going to talk to you about it in a second. All right. All right, buddies. Now, brothers, while prices may not have rebounded yet, I believe that, so this is some guy's opinion, and I believe with what he's saying, so I'm going to read this. I believe that 2018 overall has been a net positive year for the cryptocurrency sector, and that all the recent focus on regulation and oversight will pave the way for mainstream adoption in 2019. What have I been talking to you about here? If you've been here for a long time, well, you know by now, most of the show is usually about regulations and stuff, and then we'll talk about your little cryptos, right? Because that's what paves the way for the money. What paves the way? Regulation, and oversight will pave the way for what? Mainstream adoption. When? 2019. 2019. Once all these products come online and the institutional investors get to start to use them, bang, 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 bang. And so let's look at a few. And so if you don't believe me, I want to, and that's why I brought up this one. It's this guy's opinion. It's the same thing I've been telling you guys, but I like to hear it from some sort of reporter type person or something, so that whatever holds more weight. So regulation, establish trust and legitimacy while respecting innovation. You may have heard people refer to the Wild West days of crypto, a so-called unregulated era, where everything goes, as a predominant theme in the press. Thankfully, and then a bunch of bullshit. Thankfully, in 2018, the SEC declared that all cryptocurrency platforms that meet the definition of security must register with the SEC. The IRS went further and cracked down and announced a virtual currency compliance campaign stating that all U.S. persons are subject to tax on worldwide income from all sources, including transactions including virtual currency. With these new regulatory enforcement rules in place, the outside world began to take notice, and gradually, public sentiment about crypto began to shift. Yeah, now that they're bringing in these rules, people are like, oh, it's not such a Wild West anymore. It's getting safer. There's some cops on the beat. We got the IRS over here. We got the SEC over here. Cops on the beat. Keep our stuff safe. About crypto began to shift from a sector perceived as not currently operating in good faith to a sector viewed with respect and trust, given the proper regulatory oversight. Let's look at several additional noteworthy events that marked a shift towards mainstream adoption. Bang! Now, crypto ads banned on Facebook and Google, but then they changed it. Bang, we're not going to read about that. This is what we give a shit about. Big money, Wall Street. Bang! Around the same time, that major diddle, man, I'm getting in a good mood now when I read some Wall Street business. Yo, hold up. I haven't even been. I can't do that. I was going to try to get hyped up. I can't. Wall Street money makes me hype, so good enough. Bang! Around the same time that major digital advertisers joined the forces with cryptocurrency sector once again, major institutional investors began expressing interest in cryptocurrency and the blockchain as well. Over the course of the past year, it was announced that Goldman Sachs is considering how to use services that include physical Bitcoin. Bang! Morgan Stanley is preparing to offer Bitcoin swap trading for clients. Bang! And that JP Morgan's blockchain product is scaling effectively. Bang! And this is only a small number of the financial institutions exploring the decentralized technology space. I've been amazed that the strongest believers in cryptocurrency often start out as the most skeptical. What? But at some point, the perception shifts. And for many institutions, I think we're finally there. Paul Chow, former trader at Goldman Sachs and founder of regulated Bitcoin exchange LedgerX, said earlier this year, now, bang, here we go. In addition to recent Wall Street momentum, there are two other recent exciting developments in the crypto sector that I believe will help pave the way for institutional adoption in 2019. The CBOE VanEck Solid X Bitcoin ETF and the launch of Bakkt. Bakkt is coming out with their thing on December 12th. Their futures contract December 12th. The former, although currently awaiting approval from the SEC, has distinguished itself in proposing a physically backed model rather than a futures-backed fund. Furthermore, so good for us because these guys are going to have to physically buy these Bitcoins. Provides important security elements lacking in other applications, including custodianship and insurance. It's no wonder then that the institutional investors are excited about Bitcoin ETFs, with JP Morgan's calling them a gold mine. Bang! What? Who said what? JP Morgan calling the ETFs? Bang! A gold mine. You will be rich. You are going to be rich. Buy all you can now. Fill your cryptocurrency warehouse. I'm going to talk to you about this latest thrashing Because actually, this bloodletting is a little bit bigger than I than I was comfortable with. That I am comfortable with. I mean, I'm comfortable. I mean, I know it's going to go down, but you know, I just, in terms of comfort for you guys, I'm fine. I don't give a fuck. But you know, I don't want any weak hands. I don't want you to run. Do not be afraid. Do not be afraid. JP Morgan calls them, bang, a gold mine. Gold mine. The ETFs are coming. Gold mines, brothers. Meanwhile, just as the upcoming passage of a Bitcoin ETF is generating excitement, the launch of Backed, bang, which will begin trading physically backed Bitcoin futures on, look. Fucking shit. Meanwhile, look, brothers, nothing to fear. All right. Yes. The launch of Backed, which will be trading physically backed futures on December 12th. Fucking pending approval, though, from the CFTC, is anticipating to be the biggest crypto event of the year. By combining an approved custodian with a regulated exchange and an off-blockchain solution, I believe that Backed provides the security and scalability needed to meet investors' needs at the institutional level. At the institutional level. You don't start a whole exchange and all this if you don't know your buddies are coming. You know what I mean? If you're a Wall Street guy, you don't start a big thing like this if you don't know their money is on the way, right? So this guy says, in my opinion, and I agree with him completely, in my opinion, all of these recent events indicate that Bitcoin is headed for mainstream adoption, likely as early as 2019. Though it's equally important to note that none of this would be possible without all of the extensive regulatory infrastructure. What have I been teaching you guys here? What have I been talking to you guys? SEC, blah, 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 SEC. Why doesn't this fucking guy ever talk about crypto? Why is he always talking about SEC? Because that's what matters. There ain't going to be any money. See how Reddit is today? Yeah, it's going to stay that way without institutional investors coming in, all right? But don't worry, they are coming in. It's already been set up, so just a matter of time, brothers. There's a popular saying, it's always darkest before the dawn. And even though prices are low now, I believe all the regulatory work accomplished this year has been groundbreaking and will ultimately help pave the way in establishing a new dawn for cryptocurrency. Yes, bang. All right, so today was the show for the scared people, okay? Brothers, I know you guys are ready. I'm waiting for my money to come to Coinbase so I can gobble up some. I hope this bloodletting isn't over. But for the scared people, I thought I'd bring all that up so you hold on. Hodl. No scared hands, no weak hands, all right? Now let's go to shout-outs and airdrops. Bang. Bang. You can see I'm a little less hyper as usual. DJ Pollywood, see you, brother. Bang. What do we got here? J3.14, bang. Shane Powell, bang. Sprung Beer Fest. I love a good beer fest, bang. Stephen Holt, bang. Laroya, bang. See you. All right, guys. Bob, now we get airdrops right here. You got to go to Bob at 844-11320. He's going to give you airdrops, free coins. Yes, free coins. Actually, we didn't get any this weekend. Maybe they're dying out. I know these guys are doing STOs now instead of this ICO shit. Maybe those days are over. But go to Bob at Bob 844-11320. Read those 3 tutorials and get in here and party with us. All right, we're gonna do this quick. Bang Girl, see you. And Routes AC, see you. All right, that's enough. So that's it. Let's go to how we normally do it. That's about it for that. I'm still sick. Actually, just taking that shot just fucking fucked up my stomach again a little bit. I mean, I'm not going to puke, but just, I'm not ready. I tried to do it to get a little hyper for you guys. So anyway, what I'm going to do is, I wanted to say this, though. The markets are tanking really heavy right now. So I'm not going to be buying anything right now. I'm going to wait and see if there's a floor that gets reached for a while and let it hover there for a few days, then buy. All right, brothers, I got to go. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. You know I love doing this for you. Luck. Don't be afraid, guys. The institutional investors are right around the corner. Don't give up now. Do not give up now. All right, this is Shamari Clark. I love you guys. I'm always on duty. Bang. Over and out.